Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can create a Twitter account. So for that, first of all, you need to download the application. Once you have downloaded it, you tap upon the Twitter app. Now here you need to tap on create account. You need to choose your language for the Twitter and then tap on next. Here you need to provide your name, phone or email address and then date of birth. First of all, type in the name. And then below you need to either provide your phone number or the email address. I'm going to use the email process. So type in the email address. And then below you provide the date of birth. Then tap on next. Here you just need to tap on next. And at the end you tap on sign up. A verification code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check your mail and then copy that code from there to over here on the verification code box. Go check your mail. There's the code from Twitter. You need to copy this code. Tap on copy and paste it over here. Tap on paste and then tap on next. Now you will need to provide a password for your Twitter account. Type in the password. Then tap on next. Now you need to provide a profile picture for your Twitter account. You can tap on the upload icon and you choose the picture from your gallery for your Twitter account. I'm just gonna skip for now. You need to describe yourself. What makes you special? You need to provide your bio. You can provide few information about yourself and then you can tap on next over here. I'm gonna skip this one. What should we call you? So this will be the username of your Twitter account. If you are not okay with this user ID, you can tap on the text box and provide a different one by yourself. So I'm gonna do this and then tap on next. Here you need to choose 3 interests to personalize your Twitter experience. I'm just gonna choose a random 3 and then tap on next. You need to follow one or any other account before you begin your Twitter account. So here I'm just gonna tap on follow and then tap on next. And with that you have created yourself a Twitter account. So this is how you can create a Twitter account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.